Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Hi you guys, in our last video we learned how to put our collar stand and collar and upper collar together. In this video we are going to be learning how to attach it to the shirt itself. Let's go. So here we have our collar and our shirt. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and fold the shirt into two to find the middle of the shirt. That's the neckline part. We're going to fold it into two to find the mid part, and when we do that we're going to notch this. Notching helps you know the right place where the middle is, so you don't go towards the left too much or towards the right too much. And remember in the last video that we notched the collar stand, so I'm going to be putting both notches together, the notch for the shirt and the notch for the collar stand. I'm going to put it together and then pin it. Pinning helps you keep your work neat. Everything is settled. There's no rough work going around. That is what pinning helps you do. It doesn't matter if you have been sewing for 15 years or you just started. Pinning is very important. Use your pins. So I'm going to go ahead here now and continue to pin this till I get to the end of the neckline for the shirt. Now the neckline of the shirt and the collar have to meet. They have to be at the same point. If not, it's either your collar is too short or your neckline is too much. And in this case I would advise that you first measure the neckline, whatever you have, like let's say 19 or 20. That's what you use to cut out your collar stand. That's like the simplest way to do it. So here I'm just making sure that my neckline fits into my collar stand, and I'm just going to be pinning this on one part of it. Remember I said in the last video that one part is serving as a lining and the other one is serving as a main fabric. So here I'm going to be pinning my shirt onto one part of it, and then I'm going to use the other one to cover it up when we're all done. Right here I'm just actually pinning it down so everything is okay before I go to like the sewing machine, and so I need to make sure that everything is neat. There are no bumps, there are no folds, everything is perfect. And this is what we have when we're done pinning it down. So I'm going to go ahead and sew like I said before, and I'm also going to use the other part that is not sewn onto the shirt to cover the sewing that we are going to do very soon. Just in case you don't understand what I'm saying, please watch what I'm doing very well. I'm going to magnify this for you to see better what I'm doing. So we're done sewing this now, and this is what it looks like. That is the collar stand and this is the upper collar. Look at how neat this came out, you guys. When I finally learned to do this, I was so happy. And I decided, you know what, since I'm making this shirt, why not make a tutorial about it, share my experience, and also share like all you need to know about it. So right here I'm just going to put a pin to act as a button. So this is everything for the video. I hope that you learned something new, and I also hope that you try this for yourself. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. I love you. Bye.